Hi ladies, it's me again. I have one more tip for you to help you feel better if you're into your perimenopause or menopause. And this one is so obvious for me. I strongly believe in this one. You want to do this, try it. Try it for a week and observe and see and feel how you're doing, all right? It's trying to eat one salad a day. Or maybe if that's too much for you as a goal, maybe adding 2 vegetables per day into your servings. A salad a day, make it a full meal. You can add protein, animal protein or plant-based protein. I don't mind, do it the way you want, but eat a salad a day to feel completely full afterwards. You wanna make sure you got everything you need in it. You can jazz it up by changing your dressing or your vinaigrette, make it homemade. I strongly emphasize on that. No, nothing artificial in it. You can just put olive oil and squeeze some lemon. That's gonna be really good. But something to kick it up a bit, it's using Herbamore. I love those salts from A.Vogel. You wanna try it. I love everything spicy, so I like the spicy one. I sprinkle it on everything, sometimes just on my cucumbers as a snack, and oh my gosh, it's so tasty. It's really, it brings the best out of the vegetable that you're eating. So you want to use that. And anything else you could do to feel better? Eat a salad a day, take supplements from A.Vogel. Menopause support could help you during this period of your life. You take 2 tablets a day, very constant, every morning at the same time and every end of the day after or before your dinner. And it's going to support your hormone health and you're going to feel a difference. But eating a salad a day, do it maybe 5 days a week. 3 days a week, just add more and then build it up. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna feel better. Try to focus on adding more vegetables into your routine, more than fruits, less carbs, less sugar. That will make you feel better for sure. I know that when I eat less carbs or sugar during this period of my life, I feel much better. So I'm gonna give you this tip as well. So eat a salad a day, feel good, be proud of yourself by choosing to eat healthy, and try menopause support as well. Don't forget to sprinkle Herbamore on everything.